Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start with the page you want to share. Open it in Chrome because Chrome has built-in QR tools. Copy the exact URL now so you won't lose it. This reduces errors. If the page needs login, sign in first, otherwise the QR will point to an inaccessible link. Once done, make sure you're on the final page state, including query strings or language selection, because the QR will capture the full URL, not a snapshot of content. Now generate the QR code. Right-click the page or tap the address bar's QR icon in Chrome and select Create QR Code. You'll see a preview, review the URL shown, and edit it if you need a shorter, cleaner link. Shorter URLs scan more reliably. Download the PNG to your device or use the share option to send it to your phone. Make sure the file name reflects the destination, so you can find it later when placing it in documents or print materials. Finish by testing that QR code. Scan with your phone and a friend's device to confirm behavior. If scanning fails, check the URL for typos, ensure HTTPS is present, and confirm the page isn't behind authentication or location restrictions. Those block access. For print output, use the high-resolution PNG and set it at least 300 dpi and 2 centimeters wide. Low resolution or tiny size causes scanning errors. If problems persist, regenerate the QR after simplifying the link or using a short URL service.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.